Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your OnePlus 12R. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever you have a screen protector and it's covering even a tiny part of the bezel, so here we have the bezels. If it's covering even a tiny part of the screen and not the bezel, then basically what it can do is it can make your screen less responsive. Now, for the screen protector, if it's poorly applied, if it's not applied perfectly, so my screen protector is applied perfectly, it does not go off the screen to the phone edges, then you can remove it and see if that makes any difference. Now, what you guys can do is clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. So I have one right here, and now all you have to do is give your screen maximum 4 wipes, and it should get rid of any debris and moisture and also fingerprints. Now, what you guys can do is restart your phone. So you can do that by holding the power button and the volume up button. You don't need to hold it actually, you need to press it. So let's press it at the same time, swipe up to restart our device, and now it's restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now, after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any issues. So, go over to the settings. Now, after going into the settings, what you guys want to do is go down until you see the last section, click on System and Update, and after that, you want to click on Software Update. It will check for updates automatically, just make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection, and my version is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.